What's up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of 3. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Join that shmoney team, because we over here getting our shmoney together, baby. So I'm sure, as you guys can tell from the title of the video, we are doing a cash stuffing. Okay, one of my very favorite type of videos to do. So let's jump right on into it. We are cash stuffing $217, I believe. $217. Here's the Monte. Let's count it: 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 205, 210, 211, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Hope I'm not shaking the table. So let's just separate it. So let's separate the money, and I am using my new cash tray from Marvin. Thank you again, Marvin. So sweet. Okay, and then all the rest of these are 20s. Okay, so starting off with our variable expenses, y'all. Can we get into how I just been? I was a whole mess towards the end of April, and I'm not even about to like feel bad or discouraged. Like, look at all these receipts. I did not track any of my expenses. I don't even think I scanned these into Fetch. But while I'm mentioning Fetch, if you do not have Fetch, I will have my code below if you want to join Fetch. Turn some old receipts into some gift cards, you know what I'm saying? Max them out on the points. My code will be below, and you can use that to rack you up some points. Join, okay? But we're just gonna sit all those receipts to the side, and there's literally nothing left over in my envelopes. Wait a minute, what is this? Gas. Yeah, I had a couple extra dollars left, $6 left for gas. This will definitely roll over, guys. Let me tell you, like, I literally have depleted my buffer, literally putting gas in my car. Like, it's crazy. Like, gas has been so expensive. I think it's up to like $4.45 or something here. It's never been that high in my life, but I'm not going to ramble on about gas. But do y'all understand? Okay, so starting off for me and the kids, we will be getting $20. Car and gas will be getting 50, so that's 2 20s and a 10, and there's already 6. We'll just let that roll over. So we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 56 in gas. Really hope I am not. Household, we're going to be doing $10, which is a $10 bill. Business will be getting 15, which is a 10. and the 5. Miscellaneous will be getting 5. Medical will be getting 20, which is a $20 bill. Blessings will be getting 5, which is 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hair and Beauty will be getting 10. And that's it for the variable. Oh, wait a minute. I don't think we had any change. Oh, we do. Put our change in our box. We had a little change. So that's it for the variable expenses. Next, we are going to be doing birthdays, and I believe that's in this one. Emergency, Christmas, birthdays. We're going to be putting $20 in birthdays. We have nothing left in birthdays. Trance just had a birthday, so we cleaned that out. So we will be putting $20 into birthdays. And then the remaining $20, $40, $62. 20, 40, 61, 2. The remaining $62 will be going back to the bank for the checking account buffer, because my buffer, literally, y'all, has been struggling. Okay, anybody else, the gas just been really like getting to you. Like, so I'll put this in here, and when I go to the bank, I will definitely deposit that. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, leave me a purple heart emoji in the comments. If you are not subscribed, baby, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button below and the bell notification so you can join the Shmoney team and get your shmoney together, baby.